In this video, you'll learn how to set up email automation with Mailchimp. This process allows you to create automated email campaigns that can help engage your audience efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a dashboard with various options related to your email marketing campaigns. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Automations. This is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. Upon clicking, the automations dashboard will appear, displaying any existing automations and options to create new ones. After that, look for the button that says Build from Scratch and click on it. This option allows you to create a new automation workflow without using a pre-designed template. You will be directed to a new screen to start building your automation. Once this appears, find and click on the section titled Flow Details. This option is crucial as it allows you to define the specifics of your automation workflow. The interface will refresh to present you with options for naming your flow. Type in a name for your flow in the designated input field. Choosing a clear and descriptive name will help you identify this automation in the future. After entering the name, ensure it is saved before proceeding. Next, click on the button that says Choose a Trigger. This step is essential as it determines what action will start your automation. A list of trigger options will be presented to you. Click on the option labeled Signs Up for Email. This trigger is commonly used to begin an email series when a new subscriber joins your mailing list. After selecting it, you will see additional settings related to this trigger. Once you've selected the trigger, click on the button to close this menu. This will take you back to the main automation builder, ready for the next configuration steps. Now, click on the option that says Send Email. This is where you will set up the content of the email that will be sent automatically. The interface will guide you through the email creation process. Next, locate and click on the section labeled To and From. This area allows you to specify the recipients and the sender details for your automated email. Make sure to fill in all necessary fields accurately. After that, click on the option for Subject. Here, you will enter the subject line for your email, which is crucial for enticing recipients to open it. Ensure that the subject is engaging and relevant. Then click on the option labeled Schedule. This feature lets you choose when the email should be sent out, whether immediately or at a specific time. Make sure to select a time that aligns with your audience's engagement patterns. Next, click on the section titled Tracking. This allows you to enable tracking options for your email, which can provide valuable insights into open rates and engagement once the email is sent. Finally, click on the Close button to finalize your automation setup. This action will save all your configurations and return you to the main automation dashboard where you can review your new workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.